back to a video. Today I have another video.
Hello.
Hello? Oh, hi. Well, since you're here, do you want to help me with the video, I guess?
Sure.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Going to be showing you how to make your two-story cooler. So, let's get into it. But first, you have to hit Edit House, hit Stuff, and then hit Simple Shapes. And you'll find a large block, and then put it right on, the wall. And, make it perfect. Well, try to make it perfect. And if it's not perfect, that's fine. But try to get it, as close as you can to it. And on it, these blocks won't work. You have to have the big, large block. Okay. Yeah, the large block works the best. Hands down the best. Okay, so now to make the desk, you have to get a barrier again. And put it right underneath. And remember, make everything white that you did. Or your color of the wall, I would pick white because it just goes with everything. And then you can put a desk here, a mirror. You can put a little mirror here. You can put a desk here, a desk.
Sorry, you can also even put even a dog bed or something for your dog.
Yeah, you could also put if you want to, you could put it over there and then put do the cloud chair and take that and then put it right there. And then in the corner you could type in bed and then get a circular pet bed and then you're set, and that's seriously all you have to do, guys. It's so simple. So subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!